Hey there, everybody, and welcome to, we are into Unit 6, Data-Driven Design, Module 11 and 12. Again, quick recap, a few considerations, and then a look moving ahead here. Storyboards, I'm getting to, just started to dip into those, but they're looking awesome, and hopefully that process gave everybody a chance to sort of visualize and map out what these experiences will ultimately look like for our learners. And I, from what I've seen already, I think that's definitely the case. So thank you for putting in the effort there and asking questions and making it an interactive process, offering a lot of great feedback through the peer review. So storyboards are sort of behind us. A lot of the deep design work is also behind us. A few considerations, resubmissions and sort of updates to components along with the entire solution design documents or projects is certainly an option. As I've said, I'm certainly in the, I'd like to sort of bring the spirit of continuous improvement forward. So know that that's certainly an option. Not for in full credit, but certainly for added points if you feel like there's pieces you want to readdress. For the evaluation plans in particular here, the one thing to just sort of keep on the radar is make sure you're referencing the 4 levels of Kirkpatrick. That's sort of the model we're utilizing to build out these evaluation plans. So keep Kirkpatrick and those 4 levels in mind. Ensure that your evaluation plans are addressing all of your objectives. So again, there should be this alignment between the objectives, the solution itself, and now moving through to the evaluation that we're ultimately proposing to measure that our objectives are being met. So we've got another discussion coming up that I really enjoy around evaluation and data and ethical use of data. Again, early as you can, please dip into that discussion. And this one often can bring up some sort of contentious ideas around, what constitutes good and poor use of data as we're looking at some evaluation strategies. So just that exploration discussion coming up in for module and week 11. That's due November 3rd, and then we're straight in from there into module 12, which is evaluation plans. Same process, offering a sort of draft of the evaluation plan you're proposing by Thursday, offering peer feedback by Saturday, and then a final submission, which would be November 10th for the final submission of our evaluation plans. So that'll be project 6. Again, all of this filtering into the broader solution design document. So as you're building these components out, certainly think about how they integrate and building them back in. We will have a chance to share out our final solution design documents towards the end. So that's it. Focusing on sort of data evaluation and moving towards submitting our evaluation plans, which are aligned to our objectives by November 10th. All right. If any questions come up, as usual, reach out or please post them to the virtual office. And again, thanks everybody. We're really working towards some really exciting projects that I hope are taking shape, and you feel good about sort of how the groups have coalesced and started to really sort of represent a fairly authentic version of how to build out a plan like this, moving all the way towards evaluation, which is really one of the most critical pieces of any of this solution design work. So excited to see this stuff come together. All right, be in touch if you have any questions. Thanks again. On to Unit 6, Data-Driven Design.